So, is it just me, or does anyone else hate packing and wait until the absolute last minute to do it? I can't be the only one now, can I? So, tomorrow we are heading out to Colorado to spend a week in the Rockies celebrating Donna's birthday. Obviously, we are super stoked about that. What we're not stoked for, though, is the fact that we have to leave here at 2:30 in the morning to catch our flight. And of course, I haven't even started packing yet. So I'm gonna go get started on that, and we will catch you guys in Colorado. See you there. Welcome to Wildlife with Mark
and Donna.
In April of 2022, we decided to plan a trip to celebrate Donna's 30th birthday.
We were not sure where to go, but we really needed a break from the heat and flat landscapes of Florida.
And the beauty and ruggedness of the mountains were calling our names. So we packed our bags and flew out to Colorado for an epic mountain getaway.
With only 6 short days to spend here, we tried to pack as much excitement and adventure in as possible.
So come along with us for part 1 of our 3-part series, where we go from the beaches of Florida to the snow-covered mountains of the Rockies.
Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy.
What's going on, guys? We made it to Colorado. It was an adventure, but we are here, and we had to stop and do a hike right away. We can't check into our Airbnb anyways till 3 o'clock, and it's like 12:30, so we figured let's go do a quick hike. We're doing the tilted mesa to mesa hike. I'm not sure. We just found it on All Trails. It was nearby where we're staying, and I'll put description. I'll put the name of it in the video. We're already feeling the altitude.
It's steep, it's very steep.
It is steep, and we're from Florida, so we're used to flat. But this one's not too difficult. I think it's like 3 miles, and I think it's a good way to get us acclimated before we do the crazier hikes later on. But yeah, that's our update. We're gonna do this hike and check in, and then go from there. Later, guys. We're gonna be hiking up to the top of that.
Come on, guys, come along with me.
Let's go.
I wanna wander out of the valley where the river takes us far away from home.
I'm already out of breath.
Fields around me where there's nothing but the breeze and the great unknown.
I feel like I'm on top of the world.
And your suitcase, all you don't need, nothing but you. So don't throw your hopes down a wishing well. It's your heart's desire carry you. Come and sail with me to the open ocean, where you don't have to dream because there's you.
I think we're off trail, but we're just exploring. It's pretty beautiful. There's these super tall rock cliffs behind us. I think people climb them because they had signs saying it was a climbing section, which is pretty dope. So we're about to go climb it.
Yes, Mark's gonna go climb it. I'm gonna watch him and record.
But no, it's actually really beautiful here. This has been a cool first hike, and it's cool just to explore. And we see so many people hiking and mountain biking. People are mountain biking up this like insanely steep hill. My legs were burning just walking.
Yeah, I was having trouble keeping up.
So props to them. I love to see all the people active out here, out in nature, out getting fit. It's good to see. Inspirational.
Sail with me to the open ocean, where you don't have to dream
first mountain, the little one, but
Survived.
we made it. We're not too high yet. We're gonna be a lot higher in Estes Park, but I think we're at like 5,000 feet or something. Yeah, made it to the top of Lichen Peak. It was pretty dope.
Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you.
We made it to our Airbnb. It's really nice. I'm gonna give you guys a tour at some point, but not right now because I'm really tired and hungry. So we're about to eat, but just wanted to show you our dinner. So we went to the grocery store. What was the store we went to?
Safeway.
Safeway. We got some tofurkey sausage. We're making some ramen miso soup. And then over here, we got our salad.
Asian Thai salad. If I was recording. Oh, there we go. I think I got it. Yes. So, hey guys, we're on our way to our second hike today, day 2.
First big hike.
Oh, our first big hike, day 2 of Colorado. It's called Snickatoo Mountain.
Snicktown.
I don't know how it's said. Okay, so it's a 13er and we're so excited. We got a bunch of clothes on, layers, because it's supposed to be really cold and mountainous and the snow up there. We also brought some, what are they called, spikes?
Yeah, spikes.
Some spikes to help us with the trail. There's supposed to be snow on the trail and it's supposed to be really steep up the mountain. But we're loving it out here. It's beautiful. Lots of gorgeous mountains.
Excited?
Yes. I've never hiked in the snow. This is a first. Let's do this. What do you think about this hike so far?
This hike is dope. Absolutely gorgeous. I want to do more snow hikes. About a mile and a half in. It is now snowing. I don't know if you can see the snow coming out on the camera, but it's getting colder, it's getting windier. My hands are freezing, my feet are freezing, but we're gonna keep going. We're definitely not in Florida anymore.
It's awesome.
The wind is crazy. I don't even know if you can hear us right now. It's really cold, really snowy, and so we're gonna head back. But it was really fun.
It looks like we're almost there. Like it's right there. I could almost touch it with my fingers. The mountain tip. So that's the goal. That's the end goal.
Except we're going to that one over there, though.
Are we really? That one is so far. Okay, we'll see. Yes, this is definitely going, and the things I've always wanted to do list. It's epic.
Bucket list check off. We made it back from our hike in the snow. It was our first time hiking in the snow, and it actually started like snowing while we were up there. We got literally stuck in a snowstorm. It's pretty cool.
We'd never seen snow. Well, I'd never seen snow falling, and the wind was gushing. You could just feel the wind and even see the snowflakes that were just coming at you in your face. And it almost feels like cold water when it hits your face.
I mean, that's exactly what it is.
I had to describe it because if you've never experienced that, then
it was a lot of fun though. I enjoyed it. I think we're gonna hit up Breckenridge next, just because we're kind of close to that, and hopefully try to find some food there as well.
I'm in the mood for pizza.
Pizza?
You're supposed to finish my sentence.
Sandwiches.
Not sandwiches.
That was a Frozen reference, but
Finish each other's
Sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna say.
Oh, well, I did not get that.
yeah, we're about to go to hit up Breckenridge. Hopefully find some vegan pizza, and I don't know, just explore around Breckenridge. We don't really have any set plans there, but we'll see you guys there. Out of 10.
10 out of 10. Wow.
It's sweet and creamy, and it's like the perfect temperature too. It's hot, but it's not like scalding your tongue hot. I hate when you get coffee and like you want to drink it and then you gotta wait like 5 minutes, but it just came out and it's perfect.
Yeah.
We had to make a coffee stop in this little town of Frisco, which is actually this really cool little quaint mountain town. It's got a nice vibe, and we stopped at Rocky Mountain Coffee Roasters, which was amazing.
Oh, yes. Highly recommend the latte. I had that chai latte.
If you're ever in Frisco, 100% recommend it. We're heading to Breckenridge next and gonna grab some food and then explore around.
That's fire. It's my favorite. It's when I can eat the bread because it's worthy. It's my favorite. Like, I don't eat unworthy bread. Piante's Pizzeria, they're making some great pizza bread.
What'd we order?
It's DMT mushroom truffle pizza.
Dime mushroom truffle pizza. It's super creamy.
DMT.
It's like garlicky, buttery, all vegan. Oh my god,
amazing.
amazing.
Well, that about wraps up part 1 of our trip. The first 2 days in Colorado flew by, but they were filled with so many amazing moments and memories that we will never forget. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us on this vlog, and if you did, please do us a huge favor and hit that thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss parts 2 and 3 coming soon. In the next episode, we hike the Royal Arch Trail in Boulder, attend a concert at Red Rocks Amphitheater, and try some more delicious local vegan food before heading up to Estes Park. You don't want to miss it. Thanks again for watching though, and until next time, stay wild.